Hello, welcome back. I'm Orlando Pita and this is my YouTube channel. So you saw last week that Stephanie went from natural to curly hair, and this week she's going to go from natural to straight. So let's get started.
Next, what I'm going to do is just go wash my hair, wet it a lot, and then I'm going to put some more Atmos Shield heat protectant spray just to protect my hair from the blow dryer and the flat iron that I'm going to use. After I add the heat protectant spray throughout my entire head of hair, then I'm just going to section it off into pieces, blow dry, flat iron, and that will be it. So that's what I'm going to go do now. So I just finished washing my hair, and what I'm going to do next is apply some heat protectant spray from Orlando Pita Plays line. So I'm going to be applying this to my entire head of hair because I'm going to be using the blow dryer and the flat iron, and that's so much heat on my head and I don't want any heat damage on my hair. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into pieces after I applied the heat protectant spray, and I'm going to be blow drying my hair and then flat ironing right afterwards. I'm not going to be blow drying it so that it's pinned straight. I'm just blow drying it to kind of just get all the curls out and get all of the moisture out so that it can be ready for flat ironing. And then once I flat iron my hair, that's when it's going to be the straightest and it's going to look the best. Okay, so that is it. You guys just saw my straight hair routine, and right before this you saw my curly hair routine. So you guys might have noticed that I was holding on to a comb while I was flat ironing my hair, and I do this all the time just because the comb definitely helps separate your hair when you're going in with a flat iron so that it doesn't bunch up, and it just makes it so much easier to flat iron my hair. And another thing that helped me with straightening my hair today was just the product that I was using. The Atmos Shield Heat Protectant Spray helped protect against the heat from all of these different tools, so like the blow dryer and the flat iron, and that is very important. Not only did it protect from the heat, but it also left my hair very smooth, shiny, and very lightweight. So it's very, very important to invest in the products and the tools that you are using on yourself when it comes to doing your hair. Now you can definitely just leave it at that, but what I like to do also after I finish straightening my hair is just using some hairspray, because I tend to have a lot of little flyaways at the top of my head and in the front of my hair. So this is definitely going to help tame those flyaways. So I'm just going to add a little bit, and then I'm going to use the comb just to flatten those flyaways out. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I was able to teach you guys a lot of different tips and tricks that you can use on yourself. And I will see you guys in the next one.
now you've seen Stephanie go from natural to straight. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think about how her hair looks and how the products worked. And don't forget to subscribe and like below, and stay tuned for more hairstyles. Thank you.